Hi, Andrei from Kiravo here. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a staging website. Log into your control panel, click on Add Website, click Staging Website, select Server Group, enter your staging name, and you can choose to start from scratch with an empty web space or to install an app like WordPress. Choose a username, enter your email address, your real email address, choose a password, then click Add. Now you have a staging domain, and after you are done working on it, you can push the live to a new website, select package, and enter your actual domain name. Then click push the live. So this will create a live website and it will clone your staging domain's content onto your live domain.